Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a mini pop tube. Pop tubes are also fidget toys. They come in many sizes, but not really small ones. So let's get started. All you need for your mini pop tube is a straw with this bendy part and some scissors. Okay, so you're going to start by cutting a little bit, not too much, not all the way here, or then it's going to be harder to pull. You're just going to cut a little bit like that. It's like this, so like you can hold it and pull. And you're going to do the same thing with the other side. Done. So yeah, this is how you make your mini pop tubes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, check out my other videos. Also, have fun with your pop tubes. Bye.